Hi everyone, hope you all must be doing great. So this is an announcement for CA Intermediate Income Tax paper, and I'm starting with another workout batch. I've just recently completed the first workout batch of 10 days, and students have immensely benefited from that workout batch. So this is starting from 15th of December and it will go till 24th of December, 10 days practice session, thorough practice sessions of your income tax questions where I'll be discussing the chapter wise also and the total income questions also. This would be a 10 days workout batch, approximately 2 and 2.5 hour classes for each day for 10 continuous days. First 6 days, we'll be doing chapter wise questions, which are your past year papers, your mock test papers, your RTPs, and also the advanced questions which I have incorporated for each chapters. Your concepts will be discussed. I'll not be thorough. I'll not be straightforward jumping onto the questions. I'll be telling you the concepts also. And in the last 4 days, we will be doing a thorough practice of the total income questions. And I'm telling you, you will be immensely benefited from this workout batch. So it would be 100% exam oriented. And after that, it would be followed by two mock test papers where it would be thoroughly evaluated with the personalized feedback. So please avail this opportunity and you will truly be benefited from this batch. Thank you. Also, I forgot to mention that you can register it by following the link which is mentioned in the description. The fees is just rupees 1000. Thank you so much.